Hello there. I'm going to show you one of my all-time favorite stretches of all time. We do it pretty much every single class that I run on Zoom for my senior clients because it's just so great. It's the seated cross ankle stretch. You're going to cross your ankle over your knee. So even if you have to hold on to that leg for dear life and it looks like this because you've had hip surgery and you can't externally rotate or knee surgery, after that 8 to 12 month mark, we are now stuck like this. So the goal is we want to try to maybe build a little bit more flexibility, mobility into those joints. Or in the very least, if it looks like this, you can at least still get your sock on. Okay. It will only get worse and worse if you don't act on it now. So the goal is whatever it might look like. It might look like this. It might look like this. We focus on straightening that spine first. Especially if you're really, really tight, you'll want to collapse like this. So on your inhale, straighten the spine, shoulders pull back. If you have the range of motion, you can begin to lean forward and upward. And I say upward because when I say lean forward, we tend to collapse like this, and that's just a little rough on the lower back. So think the heart is reaching up towards the ceiling and then forward. And that keeps my back straight. You can also push down on that knee. And I want you to flex this ankle about 90 degrees. That'll help protect this knee joint. When you're doing static stretching on a scale from 1 to 10, this is not a comfy time. You don't want to do it all day long. It takes 30 seconds of breathing through the intensity of the stretch. On a scale from 1 to 10, you're looking for about a 6 or 7 on that scale. Not sharp pain, but below it. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, try and push a little bit further. Maybe you move, maybe you don't. Inhale tall. Exhale, sink a little deeper into the stretch. Inhale tall. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper. This will help with sciatic pain, tightness in the hip, tightness in the knee, and it just feels great. Don't forget to switch sides. If you have any questions at all, I'm always here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.